Okay guys, here you can see yesterday I made 91 euros. Today I made 54 euros so far, and tomorrow I will probably make another 100 euros with Digistore24 affiliate marketing. And actually I'm running Microsoft ads and I'm not paying anything for those ads. I'm getting Microsoft ads for free. And in today's video I'm going to show you how you too can get Microsoft ads for free and make money with Digistore24 affiliate marketing as a beginner. Okay guys, so first thing we need to do, we need to find products to promote. So what we need to do, we need to go on Digistore24 marketplace and we need to actually use best selling products. So you don't need to do anything here. Automatically Digistore24 will give you best selling products. Also, you can go on ClickBank and then you can click here on top offers and you can find the top offers, top products here on ClickBank, and quite often it happens that you can find products from ClickBank also on Digistore24. So here you can find those products. So let's just say, for example, I wish to promote this product here, Ultimate Keto Meal Plan. So what I need to do, I actually need to click here and open their sales page because I'm going to need their sales page. So next thing I need to do, I actually need to copy link to their home page. And next thing I need to do, I actually need to go on website called iSpionage. Now this website is free and it gives you 5 free searches per day. So what I need to do, I need to paste that URL here, and here you can choose the country. I will choose United States and then simply click here on search. And this website will give you ads that everybody who actually promote this product here, they are actually running ads, and this website here will give you those ads. Because we actually wish to do Microsoft ads, so what I need to do, I need to click here on ads and then Bing Yahoo ads, and here I can see available ads. Now here you can see there are only 9 ads for this product. Yeah, ideally you wish to find products, you wish to go here on Digistore24 marketplace or on ClickBank marketplace, and you wish to go back here on iSpionage and find the products that have at least 50 ads, because that gives you more opportunity. It will give you more chances to see what kind of ads other people are running, so you can actually make something similar. So what I need to do, I actually need to click here on this number 8, and now here I can see this is the ad copy, and here I can see all the keywords that this person who's running this ad is actually targeting. Here I can see search volume, and here I can see cost per click. Here I can see first seen, which means when this ad actually started. Here you can see first it started on 8th of August 2022. That was just a few months ago. So next thing I need to do, I actually need to go on Microsoft Ads and I need to start a campaign. You need to register for a free account. Then simply go here on campaigns and then click here on create in order to create a new campaign. Now here you can see different options. Now because we wish to promote affiliate product, what I need to do, I need to click here on conversions in my website. Okay, click here. And here you can choose, you need to choose search ads. Okay, click here and then click here on next. Okay, so now we need to give a name to our campaign. Now for this purpose I will just say, for example, test. Okay, test. Use campaign settings. No, I don't want to do that right now. Here you can see campaign budget. Now this is daily budget. I will leave it on $25, but you can increase it on $50, $100, $1,000, it doesn't matter. I will leave it on $25. Apply budget, no, you don't want to do this. I mean, you can do this if you want. I usually don't do that, okay? Available countries and lead regions. Okay, here you can see location, okay? Here what you need to do, you need to click here, let me choose a specific location. And then here, you need to type a specific location. So I will type United States, okay, and press enter. And now I need to click here on target, and now I am targeting United States. Also I can add another country, so let's just say, for example, Canada. Okay, Canada, press enter, and now I need to again click here on target. And now I am targeting United States and Canada, as you can see here, okay? Now you can add more countries if you want, but you don't have to. You can add only one country if you want. I added just these 2 countries for the purpose of this video. you can leave this as it is. Languages, I will leave it as English because in United States and Canada, English is official language. So I will leave it as an English, okay? You can choose one of these languages if you want. I will leave it as English. And now you need to scroll here and you need to click here on save and go to the next step, okay? And now you need to add your website. So here I can simply go back here on their homepage and I can simply copy this link here, okay? And I will paste that here, okay? And here add group, you don't need any add group. Here you need to add a keywords. So what I can do, I can simply go back here and I can simply copy these keywords here from espionage and I can add that here, okay? And what you need to do, you actually need to add square brackets. So let me just change this, okay? So I can add a square bracket like this, okay? And on the another end, okay? Because you wish to target only these keywords. So when someone type only this keyword, you wish your website to actually be advertised to those people. You don't want anything similar, only this exact keyword. And again, same thing, you can go back here and you can also copy this keyword here, go back here and you need to add that keyword here. So I will simply paste that here and actually here. And I will now add just these two keywords, but here you can see there is plenty of keywords that you can target and get a good traffic. So what you need to do, here you can actually see your audience, here you can see your audience, how many people you can potentially reach and stuff like that. So what you need to do next is, you need to click here on save and go to the next step, okay? And now what you need to do, you need to click here on create an ad because we need to create an ad. And here where it says final URL, same thing, we need to go back on their website and we need to actually copy this part here, okay? Control C, go back here and paste that here, okay? Headlines. Now we need to add a headline for our title. Now you can simply go back here on espionage and for the purpose of this video, I will simply copy this. But you need to come up with something else. You can use this only as an inspiration. You cannot steal other people's ad copies. But for the purpose of this video, I will simply copy and paste this. But like I said, you need to use it only as an inspiration. So I will go back here and this will be my first headline, okay? Here you can see you have 30 characters. You cannot add more than 30 characters. And I will go back here and I will simply copy this part as well, Control C, and I will add that here, and I need to add another title, so let's just say, for example, try them today, okay? Try them today, and this is my title, third title. So what you can do is also, you can, where it says pin, you can actually left click here, and I can choose this, show this headline only in position number 1, okay? And here I will choose position number 2 and this will be position number 3. You can choose which of these headlines will be shown as a first position, as you can see here. And now here where it says pet, I can say something like, for example, Zoran, okay, Zoran, actually Zoran. And here I will say again something like this, okay. And now here I need to add a description. Okay, so same thing, I can go back here on espionage and I can simply copy this part here, okay, this part here, Control C, and here you can see you have actually 90 characters. Your description cannot be longer than that. And I'm going to paste that here and I will go back here and I will copy this part here as well, Control C, and I'm going to paste that here. And same thing, right, left click here, choose this to be my number 1 description and this will be number 2. And now here you can see how your ad will actually looks. When you click here on side view, mobile view, this is how your ad will actually look. I will click here on top view. And here you actually need to click here on add URL options, okay? Here you actually need to add tracking template, okay? Here you need to add your affiliate link. So I already prepared my link. This is my Digistore24 affiliate link. and I will paste that here. Now, what often people do, they actually go back here on top, and here where it says final URL, they actually choose their affiliate link. Quite often that doesn't work. So what you need to do, you simply need to add the link to their home page, and then you need to add your affiliate link here where it says tracking template. Okay, here you need to add your affiliate link. Okay, here you don't need to do anything else. All you have to do now is just click here on save, and that's it. You saved your ad, and here you can see how your ad will actually look like, and here you can see you can add some price extensions and stuff like that. You don't really need to do anything here. Here you can actually edit some extensions and stuff like that. You don't need to do anything like that. Just click here, save, and go to the next step. Okay, and here budget, I will leave it as $25 per day, as I actually set it up on the beginning. And here you can choose this different stuff. Here you can see bid is 56 cents per click. I will leave it as 56 cents per click. I usually choose a bit more because I will get more clicks, because then Microsoft Ads will run my ads more than it will run ads of other people. Show rows 20, okay. Here you can choose anything here, and all I have to do now is just click here on save, and that's it. I will save my ad campaign. But I told you that I'm actually running these ads totally free. How do I do that? Well, actually, when you go back here and when you go on a website called voucherstore.net, here you can actually buy Microsoft Ads vouchers. Here you can see $250 Microsoft Ads coupon, $500. So when I click here on $500, I can actually buy this $500 Microsoft Ads coupon for just $10. But here is the thing, you actually need to spend at least $100 on Microsoft Ads before you can activate this ad coupon. I know that looks, you said it is 100% free. Actually, for me, it is free because I already spent those money, but you will spend also $100, and then you will get $500 of ad credit, and you will make those $100 that you spend on the beginning, and you will make even more money. And you're probably thinking right now, well, you said 100% free, I still need to pay these $10, right? And what you can do is you can simply go on Coinbase. That is cryptocurrency transfer market. And here, when you scroll here you can see just for signing up, you will get $28 worth of crypto, and you can simply convert. You can register for a free account, get this $28, and you can convert it into real money, into real dollars, and then you can simply go back here and you can buy this $500 ad coupon. Or you can simply go on Sprout Gigs and do some simple stuff, some simple task, Microsoft micro freelancing task, and you will earn those $10, and then, like, again, simply go back here, pay $10 and get this $500 Microsoft ad coupon. And trust me, guys, this is a beginner friendly method. We didn't use any landing pages, any bridge pages, but you will still get good results. You can use direct affiliate links and you will still get good results with Microsoft Ads. And like I said, you will get $500 ad coupon totally free. So this is how you do Microsoft Ads for Digistore24 affiliate marketing as a beginner. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.